This video is about getting rid of fake survey alerts that are associated with the site Stickhasshout.top. So this is a fake alert that tries to collect some of your personal details. The pop-up indicates that you are today's lucky visitor, that you have a chance of winning some prize on the condition that you first pass through some primitive survey. In this survey, the questions that are raised are very simple. They don't require any special knowledge. But the point is that at the end of this so-called survey, you'll be told to provide your name, your surname, your email address, possibly your telephone number and other data. All this information that you provide may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So I strongly advise that you do not interact with all these fake survey messages. This is the way some companies try to get access to your personal data. I would recommend that you carefully research your available applications and get rid of those programs that are suspicious. So if you don't remember installing them directly, right-click on them and move them to the trash entirely. Also, consider checking your available browser extensions, and if you find some ones that are suspicious, get rid of them. Finally, to make sure that your device is free of any other threats, consider checking your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner. This is the antivirus both for Mac and for Windows computers. Download it through this page, combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, be sure that it updates the antivirus database. Then, after this is successfully accomplished, click on Start Combo Scan to begin the analysis of your computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threads that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threads, but when you click on Review Results you can see the names of these threads and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific thread. So you may go to this location of thread on your Mac computer and get rid of this thread one at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.